Protecting your heart, the tomato way. Powering your body, the corn way. Keeping you hydrated, the cucumber way. Fighting the germs, the garlic way. Boosting your strength, the spinach way. Fighting the germs, the garlic way. Boosting immunity, the mushroom way. Building your vitamins. The pepper way. Boosting immunity, the mushroom way. Cleaning things up, the onion way. Bringing fresh power, the radish way. Keeping you fresh, the lettuce way. Building your strength, the eggplant way. Team power working for you. Bringing the heat, the chili way. Apple power, protecting your gut every day. Banana energy, powering you all day long. Orange vitamins, boosting your immunity. Mango magic, helping smooth digestion. Pineapple enzymes, working hard for your tummy.
Cleansing your body the gentle way.
Working hard for you every single day.
Working hard for you every single day.
Helping clean your body one gentle step at a time.
It's okay. I'm here for you.